Hi guys, it's me, Amor, Anna. I don't know, my real name is Anna. This is an explanation why I have not been posting. I watched all my old videos and it was pretty cringe and I couldn't even spell right. I was 7 years old, 7 or like 6, and I'm 9 right now. Sorry I left. I did make a video about like I'm leaving, not coming back forever guys, but I actually just posted. Sorry guys, the lighting is so bad. I couldn't even spell back then, but now I can. Sorry, my hair looks so done like right now. It's literally like I just woke up, and this is actually my mom's phone, my stepmom's phone. I have my own channel actually. In the other one I make videos there, but this one is an old one. I've been posting on this like for 1 month, like a lot. I started this channel like probably 2023 or something. Yeah. And then I randomly quit it because I can't borrow this phone anymore, but my mom is actually letting me borrow it because she has to go somewhere, and this is me now. But it's gonna about to end. This just takes 3 minutes, so please keep watching. I left because my mom doesn't let me use this phone anymore. She let me use it right now, but later she'll be back when she's like, she said she'll buy something. Sorry, I left. I come back. I'm coming back now, and it's gonna like my old videos are actually really cringe. Like, be guys, everyone. I not come back anymore. Okay, yeah, whatever. Like wrong spelling, math. So this is, I can spell now. Not everything. I can't spell everything because I'm still 9. I'm grade 4. So yeah, this is the whole explanation. Sorry I left, but at least I'm back now at 2026. To post videos, new videos. Please like and subscribe. That's all. I just want to hit 100 subscribers or something. Anyways, bye. Bye.